steady, check the line.
Adjusting slightly, alignment looks good.
Laser received, position is correct. Lower it slowly, keep it straight. Steady, going down. Push it deeper.
Start pumping.
Water level dropping.
Start sand filling.
Filling complete. Hold steady. Lowering. Keep it straight. Aligned. Increase pressure. Pushing down. Lower slowly. Going down. Going down. Keep it straight. Align. Steady flow.
Pouring now.
Pouring.
Yeah.
Watch the level.
Almost full.
Almost full. Bringing it closer.
Holding position.
Get ready. Get ready.
Ready to start.
Keeping it low. Setting height.
Check stability. Check stability.
Stable now. Stack next ring.
Placing now.
Lock it tight.
Secured.
Start pouring.
Flow steady.
Flow steady.
Flow steady.
Keep it centered.
Keep it centered. Adjusting hose.
Bolts loose. Hold clear straight up. Lift straight up. Clear path. Add one level. Placing frame. Lock it tight. Done.
Align both sets. Holding steady. Weld now. Joint fixed.
Send the panel.
Received.
Align it.
Align. Fixed.
Start pouring. Flowing. Shift line. Moving. Remove carefully. Panel loose. Bring it down. Bring it down. Pass in. Remove all wood. Taking everything left, sir.
Nothing left.
Sight clear.
Drone view showing completed bridge piers.
Level this full area. Working all sides.
Checking levels. Keep it even.
Stay on edge. Working outside. Level good. Dig deeper. Working steady. Level okay. Hold the line. Keep distance. Pipe ready. Pouring now. Leveling. Good finish. Full height. Aligned. Set.
Set hoses. Ready lines. Pouring. Control flow. Keep level.
Set panel. Hold position. Lower slowly. Align here. Fix and brace. Forward slowly. Adjusting line. Steady flow. Level okay. Continue.
All cranes ready.
Panel loose.
Lifting section 1.
Build staging. Frame ready. Bring cage. Lifting now. Align center. Start welding. Joint fixed.
Unload materials.
Panels ready.
Start fixing.
Hold straight.
Check alignment. Start pouring. Hose in place. Flow steady. Level complete. Finish and clear. Start removal. Panel loose. Carry carefully.
Truck ready.
Clear the site.
Clear the area. Moving now. Almost done. Looks clean.
Set bearings. Aligned. Lift girder. Guide. Set.
Wrap up. Coming down. All clear. Next slab. Lifting. Align. Set. Good. One by one. Lifting. Hold. Align. Set. Lift bundles. Moving. Moving. Place here. Spread it. Start tying. Hold position. Lowering. Fix here. Brace it. Start for pumping. Spread it. Level it. Finish surface. Use the hook. Grabbing that hook. Guide it. Lifting out. Yeah. Clear the sight. Clear the sight. Loading now. Stack tight. Back it up. Prep the far side. We need more bracing on this side. Copy that. Moving it now. Keep trucks off the bridge. Spread this section. Bridge stays clear. Start compaction! Rolling forward! Level this side. Next truck, dump here. Unloading now. Spread it evenly.
Keep all equipment off the bridge.
Approach load dumping.
Spread and level it.
Keep it off the bridge. Unloading here. Bring the blocks. Good, keep going.
Dump and move out.
Spread it out evenly.
Bring the mix onto the bridge.
Unloading on deck. Spread it evenly. Drilling now.
Lift the pole slowly. Tighten the bolts.
All machines start together. Center line marking. Edge lines running. Keep it aligned.